Feeling lucky. Take me to Vegas, baby. Woo! Oh. Ah!
Yeah. Welcome to Pocket Watch Studios. I'm Dalton.
And I'm Eddie.
And guess what we're playing today? A little wet head. There's no skill involved, so I should be okay. This is filled with water and will increase the amount of water in every round. All of these sticks can be pulled out, but only one will release all of the water onto this beautiful face right here. For the loser, you get an entire bottle of water on the head.
On the head.
And it's gonna go straight down.
Straight down, all the way down.
And you're gonna have wet pants.
One pulled. Up. Whoa.
Okay, nothing.
Survived to see another day.
No.
Welcome to the construction site, Dalton. Please wear your safety helmet at all times.
I follow all the rules.
Woo!
Right. Skip a turn. Ah. Spin it.
Spin it. Woo! One pull.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Oh. He's lucky. He's lucky. Okay, okay.
Take it away, Dalton.
Pull one pin
and spin again. Making up for round one. I'm gonna take a step back. I know. I know it.
Boom! 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 What is this world?
It is the Hoover Dam!
I feel so refreshed. It is all down my back and front.
Yep. Going into round two, like we said at the beginning, we added a little bit extra water.
Not a little bit. There is double the water in there. We're gonna make up for these lost times.
I am ready.
Pull one and spin again. Okay.
Woo! Feeling lucky. Take me to Vegas, baby. Woo! Oh!
Ah! Yes! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This thing is filled to the brim.
To the brim.
The most water we have had yet!
Yet! Pull two, pull two, pull two, pull two, pull two.
Okay?
Oh, I thought that was it. I thought that was the one.
All right, Eddie. Spin it. Pull one.
Pull one.
Would you just pull it already?
I'm just tempting you, Dalton.
Just pull it!
Oh, it's leaking.
What is going on?
No, I got a little splash. It was a little tease. What does it say? Pull one and spin again. Dalton, bravo, man.
Mom, I love you.
Yes!
Yes!
Spin again.
No!
Pull one pin. Do it. Do it. Oh, man. There's only a few left.
Ah!
Oh,
Yes!
man.
Pull one pin, spin again. Pull it. Nope.
Yep, there it is. No, that's not the one. I don't want that one. I want this one. Yeah!
What is happening?
How many are in the hat?
Look what you...
There's two? What? I got them all! Look it.
Pull one,
Yeah.
spin again.
And there's how many? Ooh, boom, baby!
Well, look who didn't lose this time. Pretty excited about it.
Sorry, you guys, I'm sorry.
You know what you get now, right?
This is the face of failure.
Yeah? How do you want it?
Oh,
Oh,
yes.
yeah.
I'll tell you anything you need to know.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes!
Woo! Woo! That was so much fun.
I highly recommend this game. Check it out. Really fun. Super awesome. I had a blast. That was one of my favorites.
That was great. I'm gonna go shower.
I already did, so I'm
You
good.
did. I
Yeah,
need to.
I'm good.
We're gonna go get it done. Thanks for watching. Pocket Watch Studios, that's where we are.
Let us know if you liked it. Comment, like, maybe let us know what other games you want to see us play. Cheers. See you next time.
Yeah!